Sup guys, this is Monkey Bacon, and
I'm not gonna be doing anything.
Monkey Cran is in the background playing some Gears of War 3. Today is an advanced tutorial. I'm gonna be teaching you guys how to animate sprites. So, before we get started, you're going to need some frames of animation to work with. I am using the ones from Bow Coast Adventure Hero, and I've switched. I have pictures for him facing the left and pictures for him facing the right, because you can flip it while you're programming. Like, just use ones that are facing the right, and then flip the image when he's facing the left. But I don't want to lose focus of the main task today, which is animating. So, to animate, I'm using QuickTime Player and it's making my computer lag. To animate, you need to make a variable or a table called player R. So player R equals open curly bracket, close curly bracket. So you're gonna do player R1 equals.
How did you get the water shotgun?
I don't know. Player R1. It just appeared in my inventory.
Alright, keep doing your thing.
Okay. Player R1 equals, and then name the first frame in your animation that is facing the right. So love.graphics.new image pics/player R is my first one, and then you do it again. So I'm just gonna copy and paste it, change that to a 2, add a 2 at the end, and then paste again 4 more times, or 2 more times, so I have 4. You can do this with any number of frame animations, doesn't matter, can be any type of animation too, it doesn't just need to be a player. And they're gonna do the same thing for the left. So also, yeah, I'm just gonna keep going with this. There's obviously a lot of different ways you can animate, but this is just the way that I prefer to do it.
Fuck this game.
Okay, player.l.png. Paste it 4 times. It is. Oh my god, my computer is going so slow. Okay. Screen recorders always do that. I wonder if is that the same for Windows, Derek?
Yeah. Well, it's not as bad as when you use it on screen.
All right. Since I'm using pixel art, I need to filter these. So I'm
using kid pics.
Since I'm using no, but I'm doing shut up. I'm doing pixel art. So I need to filter them, but I'm not gonna, because I have camera. I'm doing pixel art, but it doesn't make a difference. All it means is that I have to zoom in the camera a little bit. So, doing pixel art, I'm not gonna filter them. It's just gonna be a little blurry because it's zoomed in. So, now we need to make the last variable that we are going to be using. Actually, yeah, the last one, called player.animTimer. It can be anything along the lines of an animation timer. Animation underscore timer. I think anim timer is really easy for me to type though, so you know, it's just a lifestyle choice. Okay. So when love.keyboard is down D, I'm just gonna change that to right so it's a little bit more, so it'll make a little more sense, make it a little bit easier. If it's down, you want player.animTimer to be going.
Oh shit!
To make a timer, to make a timer go.
Like, oh, I'm gonna do you. I'm like, no, you're fucking not.
You need to do enter the name of the variable equals the name of the variable plus DT. That'll start the timer going at a constant speed, and it won't cause any lag because you're using delta time. So this is where we start actually animating and using those. Oh, one more variable. Sorry guys, I know variables suck dick. Player dot pick. Okay, player.pic or player.image, whichever one you prefer, equals, and then just set player R1. It's gonna change, but you need to have one. It can't just be nil at first, or null, whatever you want to call it. And actually, one more last one. This is the real last one. I'm gonna name it pnum. That's what you should name it now. Pnum, Derek. Ha ha ha.
It sounds like, I don't know what that sounds like. It sounds bad.
Okay, and set it to 1. So what we're gonna do is when
penis.
when the player is holding down L or R, I'm just gonna copy and paste it to both, but you can do if love.keyboard is down right or love.keyboard is down left. You want, oh no, you can't. Okay, if love.keyboard is down right, then player.pic equals player R player.pnum in a box. And what this will do Shut up. What this
Get a box.
what this will do is you see how these like brackets on the end are similar to ones right here, and there's a number right there, and there's a number right there. So if we change player.pnum, it'll change which one of these pictures we're working with. So all we do now is when the timer is greater than a certain number, add to player.pnum. So if player.anim timer is greater than 0.1, then player.pnum equals player.pnum plus 1. So now, if the animation timer is greater than 0.1, it'll go player.pnum will be 2, which will mean that the picture is player R2. Hopefully this makes sense. If it doesn't, add me on Skype and I can help you out, Monkey Bacon. Sockmonkey.com.
In the description.
Link in the description. But after this, you want to reset the timer. And to do that, you just do player.anim timer equals 0. Make sure you put it after you add player.pnum. So what we got going now is write animations, and it'll go. But what will happen right now is if it's greater than 4 or however many frames you have in your animation, then it will just keep adding, but there's nothing greater, so you'll get an error. If that makes any sense. You gotta limit player.pnum. You gotta limit. Right, Derek?
Yeah.
Okay.
I guess.
So what you want to do is if player.pnum is greater.
I'm sorry.
I can't just like say it out.
Funny. The
Pnum.
fact that you brought it up.
I know.
It's like
Stupid. Yeah. If player.pnum is greater than player. Wait, how are we gonna do this? Number player R. Or you know what? Just how many frames you have in the animation. Just do 4. Then player.pnum equals 1.
ew, that was awesome.
So you would do the same thing for the left. You would just copy this and do if you'd say player.pick equals player L, and then in a box player.pnum, and then just basically copy and paste that. Yeah, you would copy and paste that. But there's one thing we're missing. If you let go of right or left, your guy will freeze in the frame that he's at. So this is a really easy solution. You want to make a function called player. I'm gonna call it anim reset for animation reset. You can name it whatever you want. If key, this is gonna go in function love.key released. So if you're releasing the key right, then player.animation timer equals 0. Player.pnum equals 1. And that's, oh, and you want to do player.pick equals player R1. So you do all those 3 things, and it would just reset it completely whenever you let go. So I'm going to do the same for the left. If key equals left, then player.anim timer equals 0. Player.pnum, I can just copy all this, but whatever. Player.pick equals player L1. So that'll reset it for the left. Now we just got to put all that stuff in main.lua. So, function love.update. Player.update. Update dt. And we need to make function love.key released. Function love.key released. Key. Make sure you put key for any time you're using love.key released or key pressed, or any functions with key with you when you use keys. Because if you don't, it won't take the variable that you're. You know what? I'm just gonna keep going. Player.reset anim key. Player. Okay. Making sure I got. Oh, I didn't do it right. I misnamed this one. Anim reset. Make sure, is that the, yes, okay. So now, I'm just blabbering on the words that you guys can't understand. This should work, but I'm probably gonna get an error like I always do. That's just my life, Derek.
You should have seen the game right at the end of the match. Jeez, there were 4 of them just shooting.
Yeah?
This one person.
Okay, oh, I didn't, LOL guys, LOL. Did it make, wait, what? What is the error? I'm confused now. Let me reopen this. Come on, open. Open! Urgh. Main.lua, oh, I didn't require player.lua. I'm a silly goose. That's what I am, Derek. Derek.
Yeah.
I'm a silly goose. Oh, I haven't even drawn the player yet either. Okay, let me just do all this crud real quick. Require camera. I'm only requiring camera because I need it to use pixel art. So I can zoom it in. Camera onset player.draw, which is a function I haven't made yet. You want to be drawing player.draw. You want to be drawing the player's variable. I'm pretty sure I said this in a past tutorial. Web.graphics.set color 255 255 255. Web.graphics.draw player.pick player.x. Oh, not player. Player.x. Player.y. Okay. Now, when you run it, there's no reason for it not to work at all. At all. At all. My fuzzy bow, who doesn't move. Did I not? What's going on? God dang it! Come on. Oh, God! I am so off my game right now, guys. Here we go. Right there it goes. Look, he's moving. He's moving left and well, he's not moving left because I need to do left animations, but. There you go, guys. That's the basics of it. If you guys want me to elaborate more on some stuff because I stutter like a crazy bitch, then I will make another tutorial on this. Again, this is an advanced tutorial. This is always assuming... Advanced tutorials assume that you watched all the basic ones. If you haven't, then go back and watch them.
Like the intermediate ones, right? Or something?
Yeah, they're not very advanced. I'm probably going to get into, like, tile maps and stuff. You don't even know what I'm talking about, God.
No, I have no idea.
So... yeah, we're going to be posting videos at least once a week. If you guys have any requests for tutorials, leave them in the comments or email us, sockmonkeydev@gmail.com. These are just going to be a bunch of plugs. Yeah. Yeah, go, just search Derek in the shower. And, we,
about 5 things.
What else do you want to say? Is that it?
Click the second one.
Team Sockmonkey, hashtag, just broke 100 followers on Twitter. I'm so famous. See you guys in the next tutorial. Oh, that's not the stop button. That's, okay.